I got 5 gallons of premium Shell V-Power we are going to put in now that we have all the old stuff out. Next step, we're going to evacuate the coolant system and put some new coolant in here. No skimping here, we got the good Porsche pink stuff. Kind of weird, I have to vacuum fill it from here. If I do it from here, I never get any vacuum. All right, there she goes. Fingers crossed for no leaks. All right, gonna add some motor oil, putting in the secret sauce for 11.5 quarts since I have the deep sump. Otherwise, I'd be putting in 10 if I had a stock sump. All right, one more step. This car has a tune on it, and I'm gonna take this back to stock because you wanna break it in on a stock tune. So let me do that real quick. All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and bleed the slave cylinder. Since we had that all disconnected, I've got my motive power bleeder. Put a link to that in the description. I just took off the cap in this little basket. I'm going to use a little turkey baster guy and suck all the old fluid out of here. And we're gonna be refilling it with some unicorn tears. All right, so right up here, you should be able to see a little rubber nipple right there that we have to pull off. And then it is an 11 millimeter. So I got my 11 millimeter crow wrench and bottle to put over it. Just gonna go around and bleed all of the brakes while I have the system all set up. All right, after sitting here for a day, you can see that there's a little bit of a coolant leak and like 3 drops of oil. It looks like it is the water pump. It's right around here where the water pump is, and our oil is a tiny bit dripping from right here. So it's either the block connection there or this, probably the deep sump right up there has just a little pinhole leak. All right, we're in luck after spraying it down with some brake cleaner, spraying it off with air, and waiting a couple hours. I can see a tiny, tiny leak right here at the oil pan. So, not the block. Excellent. Got the CHF11S Pentosan. We're gonna fill up the power steering fluid reservoir right there.